stars gaining consistently for the last few days. I mean, you kind of to my mind, hit it right on that, because if you look at yesterday's trade, yes, strong move in autos and strong move on the index, but the mid caps were quiet. And to an extent, Reliance seemed to be the big star of the day yesterday. I don't know if it preempted a small upgrade from Morgan Stanley or otherwise, but Reliance did really well in trade and was the key star, which helped the Nifty stay higher. Because if you look at what happened to the mid cap and the small caps, they didn't do as well. And this point contribution gives you an indication of what Reliance did and what autos did in trade yesterday. The two pockets which actually held the index higher, while the banks didn't do as well yesterday. But you know, Tamanna is right. If you just look at what's happened for the last few days, real estate, autos, pharmaceuticals, three pockets which have been consistently gaining, and you got to give credit there. The small other thing, and you know, difficult to kind of really talk too much about levels because we are consistently hitting those highs. The put bases are consistently moving higher as well. So in that sense, if you just look at the call put option data, it'll keep consistent over the last few days. You will see that bit of an uptick coming in, and Agam will talk about it in the F&O segment. But frankly, levels won't matter as much as individual pockets will. Just one last thing on the trade setup in terms of sectors. We've identified the good ones. Yesterday, Dinshaw Irani happened to mention about QSRs, and then I spoke to a couple of people in the evening about whether QSRs, which have been laggards for such a long time, last couple of quarters at the very least, do they make a compelling argument currently? Maybe IPL, maybe valuations relative to history, all of that make them a pocket where some people are making a serious look at. So do watch out for that bucket as well. And guys, we were talking about the capital marketplace for so long. Today, yet again, I think there's a Jefferies note which is upgraded 361, Nuvama, etc. So those whole non-lending financial space firmly in focus as well from a sector perspective.
Day 3.